Yes.
Well, we can actually help you get even. Here's our business card. Yeah, Valentine's is coming up. Give us a call soon. But before I go, she told us some really personal stuff about you she really should not have shared. Yes. First off, this is better than eating Christmas candy off of a Christmas tree, isn't it? Yes. Also, private joke you'll have to ask. Yes. Also, she told us your credit card number. She charged it to your credit card. And she told us that at Regis, he may be majoring in IT, but did you people know he is actually minoring in improvisational interpretive dance? It's true. Would you like to see a sample? Yeah. Da-dum, da-da, follow my lead. Da-da-da, right knee, high kick. Ba-da, ba-da, da-da, ba-da-da. Keep kicking.
Oh no, where are you going? Get back here!
He whispered, get her. Da-da-da, chorus line style. Put your left arm around him, right knee, high kick, ba-da-da. Your pulse is really fast. You should see Doc about that. Ba-da-da-da-da, give him both